Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for September 7th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Well, we had another mixed finish on light volume, so not a whole lot of activity. Once again, the Dow was down just 12 points by the end of the session, while the S&P 500 was completely flat, and the Nasdaq was up 8 points. But there's one indicator that's been around for quite some time that has been getting a lot more attention later. And let me put it on my screen here. I'm sure many of you have heard of it, the Bollinger Bands. And typically, this indicator is used to look for these areas where the two bands come together here. Now, the midpoint line is the 20-period moving average. And here, when these when these outer lines squeeze together, generally there's a big move ahead. Now, which way that move is going to happen, no one knows just yet. That's what we need to keep an eye out for. But if you look at the Dow, you look at the S&P 500 here, and you look at the Nasdaq, all squeezing together. It's the tightest squeeze we've seen in a very long time. So really, this indicates the potential for a very large move one way or the other. Now, some of the signs you can look for, clearly a move above a high and a low of this consolidation period here. Let me zoom in for you. And so if you look at all this sideways action, let me just draw that in here, and just look at the high point and the low point here, and a break above that. Now look at all these indecision type candles here. It's incredible how the market has just been waiting for some sort of catalyst here, some type of news to set it off, and we don't have that yet. But that's what we'll have to keep an eye out for. Bonds today were much higher earlier in the session, gave it all back. Gold completely flat, and even crude didn't move a whole lot, up 62 cents. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on the index charts for any sort of sign of a breakout, because it certainly looks like it's coming soon. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.